Should be better if the father who was better at being the father who is. I sometimes think I'd been better off pairing with a decoy.
I'm sure Jake would make a marvelous dad if the family arrives.
Not him. Duck by name and duck by nature. Always ducking out of his responsibilities.
How much longer do you have to go?
Well, by my reckoning, they should be out by now. I went to all my prenatal hatching classes, run by that self-satisfied stork, and she said half a month, but 2 weeks is up.
Oh, well, the best things come to those who wait.
Why do I put ourselves through it? Every spring it's exactly the same.
Just think of the rewards. All those lovely little ducklings.
All those beaks to feed.
Waking you up at all hours.
Getting into deep water.
Attracting unwanted admirers.
Like the cat. Why do we put ourselves through it?
Because when you hear that dimple dabble, you're proud to say, hey, that's my rabble. And watch their rain voyage out from the bed.
Like champagne corks, you'll sit and bobbing.
Accompanied by mother sobbing.
Relieved, thanks be to nature, nobody said. It's the joy. Speaking of him, do you think you could be a dear and go find him for me? He's probably making waves down the local watering hole.